Hello everyone, it's Sandy with the Artistic Vegan Home. I've always wanted one of these Starburst decor pieces that I've seen in several magazines. Since I wasn't able to find it at any of my local stores, a couple of years ago, I decided to make my own. So today, I'm going to show you how you can easily and cheaply make one too. For this project, you will need a glue gun with glue sticks, spray or craft paint in the color of your choice, a pair of wire cutters, and some bamboo skewers. I use a few skewers from a package of 100 that I purchased for around $2. You will first need to cut off the ends of the skewers with wire cutters. Now you'll want to mark the center of each skewer. The center marks will be very helpful when building your Starburst sculpture. Now cut a few skewers in half and set aside. Start building the Starburst by gluing two full-length skewers together at their marked center points. Don't be skimpy with the glue application because you want the Starburst structure to be strong. Hold the two skewers in place until dry before moving on to the next skewers. Add more glue if needed, then let dry again. Repeat this step with a few more full-length skewers. Remember the glue will be holding up your Starburst structure, so when in doubt, add more. Finally, glue the half-length skewers around the center in random areas wherever you see a free space. As you add skewers, check the look of your Starburst by standing it on its legs. Add more skewers until you get the desired look you want. Now it's time to paint the Starburst. I use metallic gold spray paint, but craft paint will work too. Make sure you completely paint the glued area to give it a more finished look. Now you can enjoy styling your beautiful new Starburst sculpture in your lovely decor. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the little bell so you will always know when I upload new videos.